Hi, this is Eugenia with PastorsLine. Today we're going to talk about setting up a global autoresponder for your organization number. So let's dive in. We've added a new feature that many of you have been requesting for years, a global autoresponder that works for all incoming texts without requiring a keyword. There are two main types of autoresponder settings that you can configure, the vacation reply and the after hours reply. The vacation reply is perfect when you're away or you don't want to be disturbed. It allows for a near total shutdown while still responding to incoming messages. This option ensures clear communication, letting people know you're unavailable, and preventing anyone from feeling left out or ignored. Both options allow you to provide next steps, such as opting into campaigns or visiting a URL. It's a smart digital strategy for managing expectations. The after hours reply lets you set specific times when you're not available. This is great for maintaining a work-life balance and managing expectations. When someone texts you outside your set hours, they'll receive an automatic response. You can inform them when you'll be available or provide alternative contact methods. This new feature improves digital etiquette, saves you time, and reduces unnecessary back and forth communication. You can customize how often the autoresponder replies. Every time, once in 24 hours, or just once per contact. To set this up, go to the numbers page, select your desired number, choose your reply type, configure the details, and save. Remember, this applies to the specific number and not the user. Anyone texting that number will trigger the autoresponder based on your settings. We're so excited for you to start using this feature today to streamline your communication and also improve customer experience.